If you use Firefox on Windows and want a cleaner, more app-like way to work with your tabs, this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Firefox new web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs using a hidden advanced setting inside Firefox. This is a simple change, but it can make your browsing experience feel a lot more organized and easier to access from the taskbar. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. You can do this from your desktop, Start menu, or Taskbar, whichever is easiest for you. Once Firefox is open, you need to access the Advanced Configuration page. To do that, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser and type About Config, then press Enter on your keyboard. Firefox may show you a warning message because this area contains advanced settings that can affect how the browser works. If you see that warning, click Accept the risk and Continue, or Proceed to open the configuration page. Don't worry, that's normal. You just need to be careful and only change the setting we're looking for. Now that you're inside the Advanced Configuration area, look for the search box near the top of the page. Click in that search field and type browser.taskbarTabs.enabled. This is the preference that controls the Windows Taskbar tabs feature in Firefox. Once you find it, check the current value. If it already says true, that means the feature is already enabled and you don't need to do anything else. You're all set, but if the value says false, then you'll want to enable it manually. To do that, simply click the toggle button next to the preference. Firefox will switch the value from false to true. As soon as that happens, the setting is enabled. In many cases, the change applies right away, but if you don't notice it working immediately, it can help to close and reopen Firefox so the browser fully refreshes the setting. After that, Firefox should now be using the Taskbar Tabs feature on Windows, giving you a more integrated app-like browsing experience. This can be especially helpful if you like keeping websites and tabs easier to manage from the Windows taskbar. And that's it. You've now enabled Firefox new web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs in just a few quick steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more browser tips, Windows tricks, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.